A total station is a surveying instrument that combines an electronic theodolite with an electronic distance meter. It is used to measure angles and distances to objects and can be used to create a detailed map or survey of an area. Total stations are typically used in construction, mapping, and land surveying applications. They can be used to measure horizontal and vertical angles, as well as distances to objects, and can be set to automatically calculate and display the area, volume, or slope of the surveyed area. Total stations are highly precise and are an important tool for professionals working in surveying and other related fields. There are several advantages to using a total station in civil engineering. Precision. Total stations are highly precise instruments that can measure angles and distances to within a few millimeters or centimeters. This makes them ideal for use in surveying and other applications where precise measurements are required. Speed. Total stations can take measurements quickly and can store and process data in real time. This makes them faster to use than other surveying methods, such as traditional theodolites or tape measures. Versatility. Total stations can be used to measure angles and distances in a variety of different settings and can be mounted on tripods, vehicles, or other platforms. They can also be used to measure both horizontal and vertical angles, as well as slope and distance. Ease of use. Total stations are relatively easy to use and can be operated by a single person. They also come with software that can be used to analyze and process data, making it easy to create maps and other graphical representations of survey data. There are also some disadvantages to using total stations in civil engineering. Cost. Total stations are relatively expensive instruments and may not be practical for all projects. Dependence on technology. Total stations rely on electronic components, which can be vulnerable to failure or damage. This can be a problem in rough or remote environments where access to repair or replacement parts may be limited. Limited range. Total stations have a limited range and may not be suitable for surveying large areas or objects that are far away. Weather sensitivity. Total stations may not work accurately in extreme weather conditions, such as heavy rain or snow. Thank you. Subscribe for more videos.